Take a moment to check out the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sensuously styled GLC 300 that's ready to infuse your driving life with luxury and capability. This sleek, spacious SUV delivers fine materials and craftsmanship, assertive performance, exceptional comfort, and ingenious versatility to make every excursion a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, active suspension, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, remote engine start, multi-zone AC, aluminum wheels. Luxuriously refined, seriously capable. That's the GLC 300 SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.